Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. We got a great episode. We're going to go all the way down to Las Vegas, Nevada. First up, we're going to make a drink. This is part number 3 of my trip down to the Circa Hotel and Casino in downtown Las Vegas. I got a little information on that. We'll see what Vickie has to say. So under its features, it says the Circa is located on 2.78 acres. It has 35 floors and rises 480 feet. It is among the tallest buildings in Las Vegas city limits. The hotel has 26 room types ranging from 980 to 1,830 square feet. The Circa includes technological features such as a tablet computer that allows guests to control lighting and temperature or request housekeeping. Using an interactive online map, customers can also pay to reserve certain seating at restaurants, the pool, or the sports book. The resort's design includes references to past and modern Las Vegas history. The resort's lobby incorporates the former Vegas Vickie cowgirl sign that once advertised the Glitter Gulch. And then under bars and lounges, the Circa has 6 bars and lounges, including an 8,400 square foot rooftop lounge known as the Legacy Club, which honors prominent Las Vegas figures. It includes busts of 11 prominent figures and displays 500 gold bars. The lounge also has views of the Las Vegas Valley and includes patio seating. A cocktail lounge known as Vegas Vickie's is located in the hotel lobby, and Circa also has the longest outdoor bar on the Fremont Experience and states the longest indoor bar known as the Mega Bar. It is a sister to the Long Bar at the D's Las Vegas, breaking its record of Nevada's longest indoor bar at 165 feet. Okay, and then it talks about the rooftop pool called Stadium Swim and is located above the casino. Stadium Swim includes 6 pools and measures 15,756 square feet with a capacity of 4,000 people. It includes a 6-tier pool area with a 143-foot screen made of 14 million megapixels, as well as a DJ booth and 2 swim-up bars. Sporting events will be primarily shown on the pool's television screen. The pool is temperature controlled, allowing it to remain open year-round. All right, let's get started on the drink so we can get out to see that swimming pool. All right, so we're just gonna make, it's called a Keto Mojito. So basically I'm just gonna do a regular mojito, but I'm substituting the sugar with stevia. So it's keto friendly. And of course a packet of stevia is 0 calories. So we'll just do 1 packet of stevia. And then I got some fresh mint and an ounce of freshly squeezed lime, an ounce of white rum. And then we're gonna give that a little muddle. Okay, we'll give it a good stir. Add some ice. Give it another good stir. And then we're just going to finish that off with some club soda. And that, my friends, is a Keto Mojito. So we're off to Las Vegas. What do you say, Mookie? So we're off to Las Vegas. What do you say, Mookie? All right, check it out.
could not generate a rhythm because the heat were the immovable. Like everyone's talking about effort, game plan, after where they never done like that.
Game 2 is the Heat's 7th double-digit comeback win of the postseason. That's time for the...
Your lead is 101 lobster? That's it.
Circa Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada. Thanks for watching Chappie's Tiki Bar. We'll see you next time.